Good morning, everyone. Initially, when I was starting my journey a year back, it was kind of difficult for me because I was switching methods one by one because nobody was giving me that much confidence. So I watched your videos on YouTube and I get to know the person is there who talks about logic, which suits my way of learning as well. So I started, and based on that, I initially I was not sure to go for the revision intensive because I don't have the basic knowledge. But yeah, it was good experience. I get to know applied area, and
Mhm.
what I need to do is that I need to look at the theoretical part. In the this intensive, I learned the applied part, so now I'm going to look at the theoretical part, and based on that, and one thing I faced a problem is that based on that applied, what we can say the framework, I was
Mhm.
not able to. Initially, I was not able to take trade, but I was able to understand in hindsight. Okay, my decisions were right. 50 to 60% my decisions were right, but
Mm.
the I was not able to look at the complete picture. Now
Mm.
I'm getting the complete picture, and I completed stage one and stage two of the
Mm.
intensive by
Mm.
writing it down the notes and
Mm.
going
Mm.
by myself. And based on that, I'm pretty sure that I can complete in a uh, upcoming days, and it would be helpful for me in near future. And thanks for the response or the support you provide all the time, and it was a lovely experience. And I would also refer my friends who
Mhm.
like logic, who don't like predictions, and they are understanding what they are doing, so I will prefer to them. That's
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. That is wonderful from Jaykishan. Uh, Logic, yeah. Anyone who likes logic, I also like them. And since you guys have been here for so long, I'm pretty sure that you now have full confidence on what logic can do to your trading. So thank you very much for sharing your
Thank you.
opinion.
You're welcome.
I would